What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode, today we are at the skate park and I'm going to be showing you guys 5 things that you can learn at the skate park. And these are some things that you can learn if you're just getting started. Maybe it's your first time at the skate park, maybe you have no idea what tricks to learn, what to do, you have no friends or anything like that, you're just there by yourself. I don't know, man. Today I'm going to show you some things that you can learn, and they're going to be really easy, beginner level things that you can take to the next level and progress and get better and better and take it to more harder and harder things. So let's go ahead and get into the first one, and that is learning how to pump. And pumping on your skateboard is kind of like riding a swing, and basically there are obstacles in the skate park, kind of like embankments or even like quarter pipes, things that you can ride up and things that you can ride down. And whenever you ride up something, try to lift up your body weight, kind of like when you're on a swing and you're going up, you kind of lift up your weight and you kind of use that momentum to swing you up. And then when you come back down, you push down and you use your momentum and your weight to push and further make you go faster. And kind of just this idea of using your weight to help you gain more speed. And it does take a little bit of practice, and it does take a bit of just being on your board and just feeling it to understand it. But just think, when you're going up things, lift up your weight, and when you're going down things, drop your body weight and just push down further. And yeah, give that a try. Pumping is really fun. Try to use the walls of the skate park to ride up them and then also push down them to increase your speed. It does take practice, but I don't know, just give it a try, all right? The next one is the kick turns, and kick turns is basically when you ride up an obstacle and then you do a 180-degree turn and come back down the obstacle. And these are really easy to learn. All you need to learn is basically your manuals and your tic-tacs, basically getting comfortable lifting your front truck off of the ground and then being able to turn your hips and your body in a 180 direction and then come back down the obstacle. So my recommendation to working into it is to make really wide turns and to make your pivots just really wide at first, and then over time gradually just make them sharper and sharper, and then you'll have a really nice sharp kick turn straight up and then straight down. So try to work into it like that. Definitely practice your manuals, your tic-tacs on flat first, and you can definitely work on something more mellow like a bank and then work up into getting something more steeper and more difficult. So kick turn, super fun. Also, don't forget to practice them 2 ways, your front side and your back side, and it'll help you progress with transition and all those other cool quarter pipe tricks. So yeah. The next one is rolling off of stuff, and throughout the skate park you'll find lots of ledges, lots of things that are a little bit higher off the ground than other things. And my recommendation to you is just to find anything that you're comfortable with rolling off of and just to try it, and just to practice getting comfortable with drops, with just little tiny gaps and things that you can just practice just riding off of. And when you can't ollie, when you're just getting started, you know, it can be hard to pop onto things, but you don't necessarily always have to hop onto things. You can definitely hop off of things, roll off of things. So it's definitely worth getting comfortable just rolling off of anything. So try to find things in your skate park, whether that's just a little curb, maybe it could be like a huge big 6-stair ledge, you know. Just get comfortable with all different heights, and gradually as you get better, it'll help you progress into landing tricks down stuff, and it just feels cool, it just feels fun. So I don't know, try it. Rolling off of stuff, you might as well just try it if you can't ollie, right? The next one is riding onto stuff, and throughout the skate park you will find some obstacles, not all the time, but sometimes, some things that you can ride onto. At this skate park here, we have this kind of ride-on kicker ledge thing with this metal angle iron on the side of it, and just it gives you that taste of just having the feeling of grinding on something. Even if you can't pop and ollies onto stuff, you can still have that feeling of just going fast and then having your trucks grind on a metal ledge and then riding off. So it's just a nice fun way to give you a little bit of that taste. And sometimes you can get real creative with it. You can do like ride on no slides, ride on tail slides and things like that, but ride on 50s, and sometimes there's rainbow rails where you can just ride onto it and go right over, and just things like that. It's super fun. If you have obstacles like that, definitely try it out, have some fun with it. And yeah, you guys got that one easy. And the last one I have for you guys is the drop-in, of course. Now, this trick, a lot of people think that it's just about having confidence, but I like to think that it's more about working your way up into it. Definitely start on some flat first, just lean on your tail first, and then practice smashing your front truck into the ground. Practice it on flat first, then take it to more of a mellow bank, maybe just something that's not as steep as a quarter, but something that has a little bit more angle. And then to, again, stand on your tail and then practice smashing your front foot into the ground. And then once you're comfortable there, then you could take it up to something that's a little more steeper, something like a quarter pipe. And then again, with your practice that you've done with the flat and with the mellow bank, practice smashing your front foot into the ground, and then that will help you build up the confidence. That way you're not just standing at the top of the quarter thinking like, oh, I want to do it, but I can't, I'm scared. Instead, you've worked your way up, you started from the ground, and then you've worked your way up to just being able to be confident and just smash your front truck right into the ground. Another way to get comfortable with this is to get really comfortable with the quarter pipe. Practice rolling up it, practice rolling down it, practice doing some kick turns like we talked about earlier, and just in general, being comfortable with the quarter pipe will overall build your comfortability with knowing how to drop in, with just having that dialed in for you. So give it a try, lots and lots of practice, persistence of course, and just don't give up. You guys know how it goes. There you have it. There is 5 things that you can learn if you're just getting started, if this is your first time at the skate park, and hopefully you guys can learn all these things in one day, but if not, you guys can definitely work up to learning all 5 of them over time. These are definitely some things that you can progress and get better and work into much harder and much more technical tricks. So I hope this video inspires you to learn something new. Don't go and scroll onto another video after this one. Go get your skateboard. You don't have to go to the skate park, but go and touch some grass, go get some sun in your life today, and you guys already know how it goes. So if you guys found some value from this video, please don't forget to drop me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till next time, peace out.